Hello, I am out here in the country with my bird identifier. Let's see, I only have seabird sound effects, but it's not like there's any seabirds out here in the country, but I'm just gonna try to see what it sounds like. Let's do the herring gull. See, that's pretty realistic. But of course, I'm not really calling anything because there's no gulls out here in the country. That's pretty cool. So, what the heck? Are those seagulls? In the country? But how come there's seagulls here? Huh. Guess this thing is really good. Birdsong Identiflyer. Get it now. It attracts birds really good.